man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph. You and James Picker Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph. You and that head of Julian, all you mash up the land. Oh Reaper man, you Reaper man. You and your henchman Julian, all you mash up the land.
He's the baddest man in St. Vincent, dog. Zion I, Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph. You and henchman Julia, all of you mash up the land. Do you think, my lord? Yo, look at the screen in front of you. You have Sean on the right. You have a brother with them called him Pasa. And you have the Honorable Prime Minister. Now, me I go talk about how Sean get to link up with the St. Vincent Prime Minister. Now remember Sean dead, you know. And as Sean run the BEEHIVE gang and them fling him away. Cause remember now, him did a extort people and him kill people and him do a whole bunch of fuckery and shit catch up with him. But listen to that story, how them link up. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, we are talking about the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the BEEHIVE gang member Sean were dead and a youth named Pasa. Pasa one big time Dan, bigger than Skank Dan. You don't know what Skank Dan does or did, and me I tell you the story. So sit back and listen. The youth are the big man named Pasa. And straight up, a whole heap of drugs him used to run. You understand? When I say drugs, the money I run drugs. Long story short, you see the Prime Minister of St. Vincent, him used to be the brother, lawyer, and do everything for the man. So him and the Prime Minister, they used to be very, very, very tight. You see that youth here, Pasa, the man did a do real good. Because, like me say, he making money out of the thing there, but him used to help the St. Vincent people them and take care of people in our neighborhood. But the brother here, the youth here, when you look upon him, he make one mistake. And you see the mistake where he make is telling Sean something. I mean, I tell you now, when he tell Sean. What did he tell Sean? Well, him tell Sean say, want to listen to me now. Sean from the BEEHIVE. Him tell Sean say, him want slap away the Prime Minister. You understand? For whatever reason. Now remember the Prime Minister used to be him lawyer and cover him for all sort of thing. But him and the Prime Minister must have fall out or whatever, and him went and tell Sean say him want fling away the Prime Minister. Listen to me, certain things just change for him. After Sean tell Ralph that, Sean become Ralph right hand man, and the BEEHIVE was in the game. You hear what I'm saying? Cause remember now, Sean run the BEEHIVE. So once him tell Ralph where Pasa say, no Ralph, them draw down pan Pasa and them take away all him money, lock him up a jail, charge him for money laundering amongst other things. But You see that youth that Pasa, the man they have jump on a money bury all over Belize, dog. Long story short, the case end up not going away and drop. For whatever reason, you know, the case just disappear. But them did hold on for some of money and thing. But them man they them so rich, them not even worry about that. Them no want that. But this, what me I tell you now, is explaining the correlation between the Prime Minister crew and the BEEHIVE crew. And this is how Sean and the Prime Minister link up. Him become a backbiter too. My mother say Sean wear two face underneath one hat, and I that him do to Pasa. And Pasa end up go to prison, and then him, Sean become Ralph, right hand man, and run the BEEHIVE and do anything with them want do in St. Vincent to the poor people them. Now, me I talk about a little man from St. Vincent when named Glenn Jackson, and him was the press secretary, I think, for Ralph from them time the 2006, 2007, and I guess him and Ralph fall out, and Glenn come on the radio, cause he was a radio announcer I think too, and say him have a bombshell for drop about the Prime Minister and the government tomorrow. And Glenn Jackson went missing. So the next day when him supposed to go up on the radio and drop the big bomb, him disappeared to blood clot. Yeah. Then them find him, bullet, somebody murder him. Then after that them charge some little gay guy, the guy look like him gay, cause it look like Glenn Jackson a B man, him a bulla man. And them try pin the murder for one little gay youth. And the case, him end up bust the case under 16 years and it's still not solved. And that's how the government that's in power right now, them have a strong grip on everything in the country, and the people them right now frustrated, and them a rebel, and it a come out in a many different ways. Let me show you something. Watch this. Now look on that clinic. That's a medical clinic right there, so. See? You see over there, so a old lady live there, so. And she want oxygen, you know. And you mean for tell me say she live right across from the clinic and Ralph them not have no oxygen in the clinic for give the woman, and the woman dead. You hear me? The woman dead. And a that a go on at St. Vincent. It's like the man shut down everything. Yo, when I realize say St. Vincent not even have tourism, dog, for such a beautiful country. Alright, let me show you something again.
Man a tapper, real top shotter, you ain't no killer. Why you suck your mother? Man a tapper, real top shotter. Don't you know my crew? Them a real mobster. Man a tapper, real top shotter. You ain't no killer. Why you suck your mother? You done dada papa, bumba feet now. One more time again.
Viewers and subscribers, I want to go to Easy M YouTube channel and watch the 4th episode of Young You Ain't No Killer. It's Bad to Worse, that's the title of it, and it's playing right now on Easy M YouTube channel. The link is also in the description box. And remember, the next episode will be played on Jamaica First, Country First, and that will be episode 5. There is another part of this movie that's gonna release early 2024. And Karma G5 really do a good job on it. I've seen a little bit of it, but it's really top secret. So 2024, you ever see the release of the new Yankee Ain't No Killer by Karma G5. Now, more on the people them, go to EZM YouTube channel and check out the episode that's running now. And like I said, the next episode after this, which will be 5, will be showing on Jamaica first, and that's what Karma and myself do. He shows one episode, I show one episode. So yo, more on to the supporting. Alright, let's go. Let me tell you what them do to the youth here. Dexter, the Prime Minister and them crew, make the youth here get twined up and end up go prisoner Antigua. You see, from Antigua, cause the youth here is a big timer. You understand? Him come in like a Pasa. Big money in the baby powder and them thing there. You understand? Anyways, the youth here look like him deal with the opposition and thing. And let me tell you, they make the youth here end up go to prison just like a Pasa. And then him go to Antigua prison. And them give him up to the US. And the US extradite him and the man beat him case, dog. The man bust the feds case on the pussy them. And then when that happen, the man him not come back at St. Vincent. A Grenada the man live. The man say him not have nothing to deal with St. Vincent. Because, like I said, the politician them around the thing now, them really have the place away and people scared. A straight mafia thing a go on. You understand? Alright. Why me do that video here? But do the video for highlight and show what's going on in St. Vincent and how the political party that's in power right now I work with the BEEHIVE gang and gang members and I do enough fuckery upon the land in a St. Vincent. Now, Ralph asks for help from Canada with police and thing. And when other people, like the lady when my shown again, need help and other people dead, you understand? Ralph and him crew don't act on nothing. But as soon as you hear say a BEEHIVE man, because me not disrespect the dead, you know. Cause everybody have to dead one day. I mean I do that. But the crew of people were dead the other day. Them link with the BEEHIVE. Sanga brother and other people. And them dead and then Ralph act up on it. But what more in the BEEHIVE them kill other people like me show you. The youth there, Glenn Jackson, him disappear, other man disappear. You have the dread there with them kill. You understand? And one heap of things. And you don't see the police them act on it. You don't hear anything. Everything just kind of disappear. But when it involves people that's close to Ralph, which is the BEEHIVE, this is what happened. You understand? Now, me not lie still, you know. Me not lie. Me have to scratch my head with St. Vincent, cause everywhere have them problem. You know, so me live on Trinidad and Jamaica and Belize and them place there. But St. Vincent are one of the first country where me see live interaction with politician and gang member, you know, and really everybody know, and it's like nobody don't give a damn and can't do nothing about it. In my country them thing they go on still, but it is not as upfront. You understand? Everything is on a hush basis, but in a St. Vincent, you will see the Prime Minister man get shot and the man a gangster, and next thing you know, him there at the hospital I visit the man and all them thing there. You understand? Him a go gangster funeral, all sort of thing. Cause the man them fling with Sean, and him did their Sean funeral. So, I say that to say this. Only when me notice, cause like me say, me I do my job, me have to do my job, and do my research. And when me notice is that a certain set of gang run with the political party that's in power now, and them a wreak havoc upon the people them. And me also notice the people them is like them a rise up. So the war we are going in a St. Vincent is not about drugs. It's deeper than that, believe me. Now listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And please go to EZM YouTube channel and check out the Yank You Ain't No Killer, the episode that's running now, episode 4. The next one is gonna be dropped on Jamaica first. You understand? Next week. So stay tuned for that. You understand? Support Karma. Now Shotty Mark, you think me done with you? Eh? Cause me here say you screech back. But me dip on your case. Hey boy junglist from Barbados. You pay man for kill man. You understand? And you think you get away with the murder? Watch me and your bomb buckler. Listen, my name is Countryman. I'm out.